Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change password on Roblox. First of all, you can open the Roblox application. I can already open. After opening them, you can just simply go to the more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can just simply scroll down, tap on settings. Now tap on account info, and after this you can just simply see the option password in the login method section. Tap on pencil icon that is next to the password, and here you can just simply enter your current password or enter a new password, or after entering a new password you can confirm the new password by entering it again. And now you can tap on update, and it is the way you can change password on Roblox. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.